3 healthy lunchbox ideas for employees. Part 3. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 quick and easy lunchbox ideas that are perfect for the workplace. These meals are not only nutritious, but also designed to keep you energized and productive throughout your busy day. 1. Chickpea and spinach salad. Ingredients: chickpeas, fresh spinach, red onion, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, olive oil, lemon juice. Mix chickpeas with fresh spinach and vegetables. Top with feta cheese and drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. 2. Whole grain pasta salad. Ingredients: whole grain pasta, cherry tomatoes, spinach, olives, feta cheese, olive oil, balsamic vinegar. Cook pasta and toss with tomatoes, spinach, olives, and feta. Dress with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. 3. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. Ingredients: canned tuna, Greek yogurt, celery, onion, lettuce leaves, lemon juice. Mix tuna with Greek yogurt, diced celery, and onion. Spoon into large lettuce leaves and roll up. 4. Hummus and veggie plate. Ingredients: hummus, carrot sticks, cucumber slices, bell pepper strips, whole wheat pita bread. Pack hummus with assorted veggie sticks and pita bread for dipping. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.